Okay, let's break down the essential customs forms you'll need for your big move to Canada.
Moving to Canada is awesome, but the paperwork? Not so much. We're gonna make it super simple.
You know, one tiny mistake on a form can mean huge delays. Let's make sure that doesn't happen.
All right, here's what we're covering. This is your roadmap for getting across the border without a hitch.
So the CBSA, that's Canada's border agency, needs two main forms for all your household stuff.
It's all about these two forms. Think of them as a team, telling customs what you're bringing.
So, the BSF186, it's basically the cover letter for your move. It's your official introduction.
And listen, you've got to be exact here. Your details must match your passport and visa. Next up, the BSF186. This is your detailed inventory, every single thing in that truck. See the difference? Vague descriptions are a huge red flag for customs. So be specific, folks. And for the value, just be reasonable. Think used market prices and list them in Canadian dollars.
Okay, this part is absolutely crucial. You have to get these forms stamped in person. Here's how.
Seriously, without that official CBSA stamp, your forms are just paper. It's totally non-negotiable.
All right, let's talk about the mistakes everyone makes and how you can completely avoid them.
This is it, the #1 mistake. Your movers can't do anything if they show up with unstamped forms.
And a few other things. Use current forms, and please, whatever you do, keep your passport with you. Look at this chart. It's almost all paperwork problems. Let's get yours right the first time. When you do it all right, you get this beautiful receipt. Proof everything is legal and duty-free.
So, here's your final checklist. Just tick these boxes and you are totally good to go.
Nail these forms, and you're not just moving your stuff. You're starting your new life, stress-free.